In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Ubersuggest to research Malayalam keywords and review SEO data. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer and go to neilpatel.com/Ubersuggest. Once the page loads, take a moment to make sure you're on the correct tool, because this is where you'll be able to explore keyword ideas, traffic estimates, and SEO insights in one place. If the site takes a few seconds to load, that's completely normal, especially if your connection is a little slow. When you arrive on the website, the next thing you'll want to do is create a standard free tier user registration profile and workspace. This gives you access to the tool's basic features and helps save your activity inside your account environment. As you go through the registration process, make sure you use your own details securely and avoid sharing any private login information on screen if you're recording this as a tutorial. After the account is ready and you're signed in, you should be taken into your workspace dashboard. From there, look for the location or country preference setting. You'll want to set the target country parameter to India. This is an important step because keyword performance can change significantly depending on the region you're targeting. By choosing India, the data you see will better reflect search behavior from that market, which is especially useful when you're researching Malayalam search terms intended for users in India. Next, go to the main query search bar and type in your targeted Malayalam keywords or phrases directly into the field. Make sure you enter the terms clearly and exactly as you want to analyze them. If you're working with multiple ideas, it can help to test them one at a time so the results stay easy to interpret. After entering your keyword, submit the search and wait for the platform to generate the data. Once the results appear, carefully review the information shown in the table. Pay close attention to the traffic metrics because these numbers can give you a sense of how much interest a keyword may have. Also look at the SEO difficulty indicators, which help you understand how competitive it may be to rank for that term in search engines. Finally, check the keyword recommendations provided in the results, since these can reveal related opportunities you may not have considered. As you read through the table, compare the data across your keyword options and look for terms that balance relevance, search interest, and manageable competition. That's the basic workflow for researching Malayalam keywords with Ubersuggest in Chrome. And once you practice it a few times, the process becomes quick and straightforward.